Today, this is Shannon Smith from Smart Business Solutions, Financial Planning. Today, I want to talk to you about other features that could be included as part of your insurance premium structures so that you can really tailor your policy to what you and your family require. So today I want to go through, I'm going to go through life insurance. So mainly a lot of it's life insurance, can include a number of included or optional benefits. Sometimes you have to pay additional premiums for those, but we're looking at things like bundling. So you'll need to refer to our separate, we've got a separate presentation on bundling, linked or standalone. Buyback, and again, I've got a separate presentation on that as well. What I'm going to talk in this one is on cover pause, premium relief, day one accident protection for income protection, future life events, and future funeral advancement. So if I look at your cover pause, if you experience unexpected financial hardship, you suddenly lose your job, you can actually pause your cover for up to 3 months. Now, you don't pay premium during that time, but you also, most importantly, must be aware you will not be covered at that point in time. So you're not paying the premium, you will not be covered. Once your cover is restarted because you paid your premium, a qualifying period may apply depending on the policy. Now, there is a benefit, obviously, if you're in a financial hardship. The only concern is that you are then not covered, but at least you haven't had to cancel the policy and go through the whole getting a new insurance policy case. Now, if I look at premium relief for life, TPD, and trauma, if you add this option and pay the applicable premium, you actually have some policies that will waive your lifetime protection premiums if you're unable to work for at least 3 consecutive months. So that's an actual extra part of your insurance to keep the policy being paid, so that even if you weren't able to work for a few months, you could still claim during that period. Another one is the accident and for income protection. So let's just say you've got income protection insurance. I've got another presentation where I talk about waiting periods. You may actually look at your personal situation and say, well, actually, I want a day one waiting period. If I have an accident at work and I'm unable to go to work, I want to get paid from day one. And you will pay obviously accordingly for that, and obviously higher premiums because you want them to pay for day one, but they may be very applicable to your personal financial situation. Future life events. Now, big changes in your life, getting married, divorce, having another child, increasing your mortgage, getting a mortgage, all of these changes will have impacts on the type of cover that you require. Now, normally you would actually have to contact the insurance company, increase this cover, and depending on the amount of the increase, they may expect you to actually go through some tele underwriting and go through that whole health check again. If you do have future life events as a feature on your insurance policy, there may be, and some of them have things like you can increase by $100,000 if you get a new mortgage, $100,000 if you get a baby. And so they have a few different options, and that just means that they'll increase it. Your premium will increase as well, but you just don't have to go through a lot of this other efforts onto the underwriting, etc. And then the other one I wanted to talk about was funeral advancement. So what that means is once there's a valid death certificate is provided, the insurance company will make an advance payment of up to 10% of your total benefit amount, up to a maximum of $25,000, and it can be paid basically to help your loved ones with your funeral expenses before your whole insurance claim is then fully paid out. At least it just gives them one less thing to worry about. So that's some of the different features that you can include in your insurance to really tailor it to what you need for your specific situation. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd be happy to help you. Thank you.